Hey guys, it's Kent back with another reaction video. This is a PayPal request from Dave Smith. He wanted to see Bea Miller with Force of Nature live in studio for Vevo Lift. So, I'm not sure if the Vevo series has their own series of live videos. I'm guessing that's what this is, but I do recall seeing a Bea Miller video and I do recall liking it. So, let's take a look.
See you coming and I stand waiting. Yeah, I get tongue-tied in the conversation. It's a fucked up F6 situation. I tried to turn my heart down, board up all the windows. Oh, but it's too late now. I let you get too close. I know I should take care these four walls, but baby, I surrender it all. 'Cause you're a force of nature. Look at what you've done. I can taste the danger, but I don't wanna run, so pull me to the ground and I won't put up a fight. I'm a caution taker, but baby, you're a force of nature. Ooh. I feel your lips moving and they take me under. You know just what to do, how to make me want you. And I know I'll be broken when it's over. Oh, but I can't help but pull you closer. I tried to turn my heart down, board up all the windows. Oh, but it's too late now. I let you get too close. 'Cause you're a force of nature. Look at what you've done. I can taste the danger, but I don't wanna run, so pull me to the ground and I won't put up a fight. I'm a caution taker, but baby, you're a force of nature. I'll be here till we collide. I don't care if I survive. Crash into me one more time. Yeah, 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 yeah. 'Cause you're a force of nature. Look at what you've done. I can taste the danger, but I don't wanna run, so pull me to the ground and I won't put up a fight. I'm a caution taker, but baby, you're a force of nature. Ooh. Baby, you're a force of nature.
I really appreciated the simplicity of this performance, having the acoustics just keep a good time and keep a steady rhythm at the bottom, and letting her voice carry the song. You know, her voice was the melody. Her voice, like, really did just, I mean, it was like she sang with no guitar at all. The guitar just kept a nice steady rhythm behind her, and it showed a lot of range, and it showed really great lyrics, and such a light voice carrying such a heavy song. I don't know, there was just some sort of beautiful balance in it. So I really enjoyed this performance. I really, really did. And I'm excited to see more by her. Anyway, if you like this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment down below with your thoughts on this performance. Then head on over to MishaKent.com to submit your requests, upvote requests you would like to see. Check out Facebook, Patreon, PayPal, all good ways to support the channel, all of them immensely appreciated. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next reaction video.